Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kashmir by Speech was composed in Urdu by Sohail Ahmed. Sohail Ahmed has uncountable laurels adorned on his chest with pride for himself, his family, country, and acknowledgement also internationally. He is a writer, a poet, publisher, journalist, educationist, researcher, broadcaster, interpreter, and translator of many languages. Love of Kashmir and agony which is going through in Kashmir, faced by the people, inspired him to write, to compose a poem. I translated it into English because it impressed me, it inspired me, and so I did my piece of work. Oh people, once it was a heaven that's become the picture of tyranny, merely a heartless game of Satan, a catastrophic outcome of man, a garden of splendor and color is now draped with blood color. The unmatched valley of Kashmir, the stunning valley of Kashmir. What we've done, that we've shown to the world, we'll show to the world when we have carried out. No rocket, no missile, no bullet. But we've got the stimulus of speech. How is that speech writer, just like his master, has written the Taqreer, that is speech. We'll have the Kashmir. We'll have the Kashmir. That's the only arrow in our quiver. Speech and only speech. We've tried to arouse the Ummah. We've called aloud the world. The world stands like a tasveer, like a picture. We'll have the Kashmir. We'll draw no sword, but the shackles of slavery will break. We are preachers of peace, and that's our fort. And I assure you, we will have back our Kashmir, our both parts of Kashmir. Inshallah ta'ala, that's my promise to you, and we will get back our Kashmir. Inshallah. Pakistan, Zindabad, Kashmir, Zindabad.